My name is Markus Körner. I'm a partner with Bird & Bird for nearly 20 years now, and I'm an IP lawyer on the non-technical side of things. I'm doing trademarks, anti-competition, copyright, advertising, media, and sports, and working for clients of all sizes, many international clients, from startups to blue chip companies, especially also in the coordination and giving advice to international clients on the European jurisdictions. I think we have a very good team of 5 to 6 colleagues, which is in this IP area a rather large group. So we have a broad and deep knowledge of things, going from trademark to advertising, anti-competition, copyright, and all sorts of things, up to domain rights, contractual rights, but especially also dispute and litigation. So experts for everything. And that on an international scale with very good network, and I would say very seamless advice. But of course, my home ground is Germany, and I'm an experienced IP lawyer. It's a broad variety of cases. It's advisory work, for example, advertising clearance, also on an international basis with electronic ads. Also on the ad tech side, it's disputes about trademarks, copyright, unfair trade practices, coming from warning letters to injunction proceedings or main proceedings. So the whole area of disputes and dispute resolution. And then it has a contractual side in relation to license agreements, coexistence agreements, sponsorships, and all that stuff. So it's a broad variety, and I'm advising, especially on the trademark side, from sort of the very beginning to the end. That includes trademark applications, licensing agreements, and disputes. Yeah. Yeah, it's always a bit difficult because in Germany, at least, litigation and disputes are usually not that transparent and open. So it's a lot of contentious matters are rather confidential. We don't have a litigation register, but of course there are a couple of litigation cases where we won big, and that applies to trademark cases, but also software litigation, so copyright infringement cases. But on the other hand, of course, also cases where in negotiations you were able to conclude a very positive agreement for a client on the sponsoring side or on the licensing side. So I won't mention, of course, I won't mention clients or names, but in a couple of years of practice, there are a couple of cases which came along. Yeah. Some colleagues on the platform, and it looks like a very good, positive, and serious network of colleagues, and thought that this might be useful, and would be happy to exchange views and of course work, and that is the reason why I joined.